Hey everyone, I'm back again with another video. Today I will be showing you how I wash my 360 wigs, basically any kind of wigs that I wear. So first things first, you start off with warm to hot water, and I only use downward strokes just because rubbing it, I've noticed, definitely will tangle it up, especially curly hair, into a ball. As soon as it's saturated, I apply Shea Moisture's shampoo, and I massage it all through the hair. You don't have to, but I prefer to use a brush every once in a while just to keep it from tangling itself up. And so I make sure, because I had not worn this wig, I put a lot of shampoo. But I wash it like 2 or 3 times a week. So therefore, if I'm just doing like a maintenance wash, I won't put this much shampoo on it because it does kind of make the hair a little bit dry. But this shampoo is really good for moisture, so I don't really worry about it too much. So as you see now, I'm just brushing the hair through, and I'm going to do this about 2 or 3 times throughout the video just to make sure that I'm not um, letting any kind of tangles accumulate through the hair. It's a lot easier to wash products out of it when it's not all tangled up, of course. Now as I'm getting to the end of brushing it, I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the conditioner. I'm going to massage, with the shampoo, I'm going to massage conditioner through it. It is also the Shea Moisture. Normally I do a deep conditioning as well. About once a week I'll do deep conditioning. I've tried the Do Grow deep conditioner. I've tried pretty much every kind of condition. I've tried several conditioners. I don't really have a preference on which conditioner I use. So in this video, just for video purposes, I'm using the Shea Moisture Essentials conditioner, and I massage it through the hair, and I put it in a plastic Walmart bag or Target bag, whatever kind of plastic bag you have, and I let it sit for 20 minutes, and then I rinse it out. I either put it on my mannequin head or I'll just lay it out on a towel after it's been brushed out again, and I let it air dry, and then I'm ready to go. Alright, you guys, this concludes this video. I hope that you subscribe and like my videos. And also, I'm not showing me rinsing out the conditioner because it's the same process as rinsing out shampoo, and for time purposes, I decided to save us both some time. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share my videos. See you next time.